is that sound? So that sound was way worse in real life, and that was all due to this broken sprag clutch. We don't show the removal of the sprag clutch in this video, but in reality you're going to use heat or an impact gun and a flywheel puller with these dimensions. Hey guys, so we're back at it, changing the sprag clutch. I just basically want to show you what order things go. So you have your flywheel, which is going to pop on over there. Make sure that this washer remains on there. When you take the cover off, often that washer will pop off. So that's your second starter gear there, with second. And then we go onto this side. People keep calling these things different names, so I'm going to call this the big ass heavy thing. It's going to go on this way, right? And it'll obviously line up, that Woodruff key will line up with that guy there. So this is facing outside of the engine now. This is your sprag clutch housing or your freewheel housing. This ridge is facing this way, so to the inside of the bike. And then your sprag clutch itself goes on here. The circlips are also facing inside of the bike, and this other side has a closed cover with the arrow and a NW. That's to the outside of the bike. So it's going on this way. Loctite, I think it's 643 that BMW recommends. This is the equivalent of Wacom. So you're going to put this on all of these guys, which go in this side and hold the freewheel housing on. And then they also recommend that you put some I don't even know what they called this. Anyway, they recommend you put some here. Your tightening torques are 35 Newton meters for this guy. So you'll have the freewheel and then the big ass heavy thing on top. And then you'll have this just over. And then this guy goes on last. And this guy goes to 180 Newton meters.